So my idea was to learn Adalo, and I love it. I love it. The people that created this company, they created some great software, but there is a learning curve. And I thought about doing something. There's other people doing videos on Adalo on YouTube, and trust me, every one of those people know a lot more about Adalo than I do. But there is something I can do that I think will be value to you. You can learn along with me. And what I'm going to do is one by one, I'm going to go through all the features and benefits of a DAO, just one by one. I'm going to just focus on that one feature. And I'm going to start from scratch. And then I'm going to make sure the keywords are really good so you're not wasting your time looking around for something. Just with a couple of nice keywords, you'll find the exact video you want. And hopefully it'll be some benefit to you. So right out of the gate, the first thing you want to do is create a new page on a DAO. So what you do is you go right up here, you click the down arrow, and scroll all the way to the bottom. It says create new app. So it gives you two choices, a desktop web app, but I like the mobile because the whole world's got a mobile phone in their hand. So that's where I think you want to be. Click next, and there you go. And what the founders have done, they set up some templates for you. But for this tutorial, I want everybody just to go to the blank because you got to learn it for yourself. So it's good. So we're just going to name it anything we want. Just say beginner tutorials. And see right here, you could select the primary and the secondary color of your mobile app, and you could change these colors at any time. And again, I want to thank the people that built this software. They make it incredibly easy. So that's a no-brainer. And there you go. So by definition, by default, here's another thing. In the past, you would have to design your own sign up and login pages. And that takes skill, but Adalo does all that for you by default. Now, one thing it took me a while to know. You see where it says right here, home? Okay, that's going to be the home page once you sign in, and when you sign up, it's going to take you right here. And then in future, when you want to go back to your site, you log in, boom. But you don't need that. If you just want to create a mobile app where you don't need people to sign in to get to your app, you just click here and delete. Click here and delete. And then I take this and I just bring it over. Now it's a center. Now there's something else I want to show you. Right here, this is the log out button right here, but you don't really need that. So you go to the left-hand screen here. You see where it says right icon? Click on it and just disable it so it goes away. I mean, it's very, very simple, but it took me a couple weeks to figure that out. So you got that right out of the gate. So here's what I want you to see. This right here, that little home button, that means, and I'll be honest with you, as I'm talking, I don't even know what that is. I'll figure that out. The home button right there. And that's how, so now when people go to, you send them the app. And the reason why this is important, because when I did it, when I was building apps and I sent it to my family and friends, a lot of them, they wouldn't open the app because they had to go through the process of signing up, and they just didn't want to do it. I had my brother said, "What am I signing up for?" And I said, "No, you're not." So people have that hesitation. So by getting rid of the sign up and login page, when you send somebody a link to your app, when they click on it, it just opens up, and I think that's a good benefit because you're trying to build confidence in your coding skills when you want to show your friends. So that's how you set up the original page. All right, thank you.